Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to delve into more with open. So let's look and see what we're going to be working with. So, all right, let's slide this over so we can see it. So all right, it defaults to read. Okay, if we want to write, we do W. So let's do this. Let's come down here and we're gonna go file dot open. I'm gonna open up hello.txt and we're gonna write to it. We know how to do that, right? And then file.write hello, close that out, file.close. So we do that, run that, la-di-di-da-da. So then we come over here and we know how to do this, and we go to our command prompt and then we type in hello.txt. We get our file hello. So alright, let's go back here. So now let's say we want to add to it. So let's say we back this out. Let's comment this out. We rerun this, and I want to add my name is Sam. So we do file dot write my name is Sam, and I close this. So 14, and this is actually how many characters that was. So then I file, let me show you what tries to happen if the reason why. So I do this, let's get this center. This is why we have to close it. So the process can't access file because it's being used by another user. Well, boom. Okay, so let's do file dot close. Okay, let's come back up here. Well, what happened to hello? Alright, so here's the dirty secret about W. It is going to write to the file like it's never been opened before. So what we have to use is the append. Oops, wrong way, wrong one. So let's look. Let's go back up here. Right here. Open for writing, appending to the end of the file if it exists. Okay. So there we go. So if we want to add to it, we need to change this to A. Then we do file.write. Nice to meet you, Sam. Okay, so that's 20 characters. File.close. So then we come here. And let's look and see what happened. It just literally appended. So we need to figure out a way to fix this. But now we know how to append a file. We need to set that, and let's see, actually, so we can just get the hang of it and know what we're looking for. Open, and it's mode. It's the mode. So R is the default, read. W is for writing, but A is for appending, adding to, and we'll touch on the others, but we're just going to go through them right here. So this is the mode. So alright, so there we go. That is that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell, because we're just going to be adding to these and I don't want you to get lost. And please don't forget to leave any comments, questions, or my absolute favorite, any video requests below. Thanks for watching again, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.